Hey friends, here's Natalia from Mamatime Posh. Welcome. If you're new here, please take a moment to like, subscribe. I'm gonna have a lot of new content coming up, and today we're gonna have a video of what sold for over 100 or over. And actually, this is a notepad I made myself. I don't know if you guys tried KDP. Look how cute. Hello. Snow leopard. Oh no. Anyway, this is available on Amazon. And yeah, let's jump right to it. So I'm gonna tell you how much I sold it for, where I sold it, how much I paid, and if I'm gonna do it again. So we're gonna start with what sold for over 100 on Real. Now I gotta say that my profit on Real or ThreadUp is a little bit lower, but you have to remember there's no work other than finding the item and sending it to them. So yeah. Okay, so the first item I sold on Real, and those are only the recent sales. And this one was Tag Hwaya, I think it's called Curium watch, that I only know about Tag because of my husband. He's obsessed with those watches and he collects them, but this watch he found a great deal for, I think it was $225 or $250, and that watch sold for $625 on Real, so that gave me the commission of $343.75. So now it's about $100 profit. Next item, those were Stuart Weissman, I guess, suede sandals. I'm gonna try to put the picture of everything on the side so you guys can get idea how it looked like. This ones I got at my local Goodwill that I barely ever find, and that one specifically, that location, I don't really find good stuff usually, but I got those shoes, dress, and bag that sold really good. So you know, you never know. But yes, those were suede heels, and they were not like that old Stuart Weitzman vintage look, but they were like really modern, really pretty. You will see on the picture. And those sold for $93.75. So my commission was $37.50, and I paid about $4.20 for them. Next item I sold, and I also bought this specifically to resell. So here it will be the picture. It's a Lafayette 148 leather jacket. I found it on Marcari, and I wanted to keep it for myself, but the color just didn't really go with my complexion. So I sent them to Real, and they did not accept it the first time. They like said there was too much wear, which was so silly because the jacket was new, but you know, it's like patina leather, so it had on purpose looking worn. So they did accept it the second time I sent it, and sure enough it sold for $156, and my commission was $78. I paid with shipping $34 for it. And next item I found, I also bought specifically to send to the Real, was a Christian Dior vintage belt that sold for $116. My commission was $46.40, and I bought it for $24.99, but I believe I had 20% off coupon. So a little bit less, so about $20. And next item, which I was really excited to find, it was in my regular Goodwill, just going through the rack. It was Enthro shirt, and the shirt I got in regular Goodwill. They didn't know that this is something, or Ethro, I think. Excuse me, I'll show it here. And I paid like $3.60, almost $4 for it. It sold for $92, and my commission was $36.80. Now all those things, that was before I got the higher percentage commission. After you sell for about, I think, $1,500 worth of things with them, on everything that is $145, I think, or over, you're gonna get 60%. So on some of those things I would have got, and that's the original price that they priced it first, not including any coupon, because you know that's how they like decide. So if they priced it originally for $145 or over, you would get 60% versus 40 like before. So yeah, so I'm now over the hump, but I just started selling with them, and I think it's worth it. I mean, I had a lot of lower sales, but you know, I still think it's worth for doing no work other than sending it to them. Okay, so next thing, it's ThreadUp sales for over 100. So this will be similar. Everything I bought was, you know, just sent to them, and I did no work, and majority actually sold the first time I sent it to them. So here's the first item, was the St. John silk top. Now that was really cool because I found this silk top just hanging, you know, in regular Goodwill, just on a rack. They didn't know that it was St. John. I don't know how they missed it, because everybody knows that, and they always price it way high. But I got it for $3.50. It was like a cheetah print, you will see on the picture. And I sold it for, it was a little over 100, but they had coupons, so it turned out to be $99.99. And the commission I got for it was $60. Next item was Donna Karan New York leather jacket. It was nothing really special. It was just leather, you know, classic jacket. And I paid $8 for it, and I sent it to them, and it sold for $135.99. So my commission was $91.39. Let me see, what do we have here? Oh, here I have Poshmark. So items that sold for over $100. Was those Charlotte Olympia shoes, which I had no idea what they are, but here's the picture. And I just saw really different shoes. And you know, in thrift stores, they often have crazy shoes, but usually they're like cheaply made. But this one I picked up, and it was real leather. So I picked it up for $7. They sold for $100 on Poshmark. My commission was $80. And then the next item I sold on Poshmark was this cap, like you know, baseball hat, that I got for $0 from a friend, but it was specific from Serena Williams, one of the games, and she actually wore it, so it was $117 that it sold for. My commission was $93.60. And then I have another thing here on eBay. So I sold those Giorgio Armani silk pants that I also got for free from a friend, and they sold for $125. So that was pretty good deal. And yeah, and that's that's all of my over 100 recent sales. I have another video coming up with everything that sold over 50, and I have a lot more items that sold for over 50. I would say that I hate sitting on items. I know that's a mistake because I could probably make a lot more on a lot of the items, but I just like to move them quickly. So I sent offers, I accept offers, change price, run specials because I have limited space. So I'm trying to move things quickly. But I really noticed looking at those numbers that I really have to change a little bit approach and get more high-end items because, you know, I get bigger profit and it takes the same amount of work. And I will continue sending to Real, but because some of those items that I sold there, let me think here. Yeah, like the suede sandals, I listed them in my shop, and the jacket I listed in my Poshmark, and they just were sitting forever. So I feel like that's Poshmark, eBay. A lot of times it's like not moving. So that's why I think it's worth sending to Real or ThreadUp, especially those high-end items that just sit forever and they got no interest. So out there they sell quickly, and because people specifically look for high-end, you know. So anyway, thank you so much for watching, and please join me next time. Please share, subscribe, and help me get found by people that might enjoy it and might get ideas of what can sell for them. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!